That is one of the best potato salads I've ever eaten. And you're going to go, yes, that's because it's full of sour cream and mayonnaise. And they're going to go, right, well, I can't make that at home because I'm on a diet. And you say, well, that's fine, but eat it now because I need to get it gone out of the house. Hey everyone, it's James at Amused Bouche. Today is part 3 of the 3-day salad videos. And today we're going for another recipe from the BBC Good Food site. It's one of my favourite sides at a barbecue. If I see this side at a barbecue, I'm having it all day long. It's potato salad. Nice fluffy potatoes in a mayo-y, mustardy dressing, some chives, maybe a bit of spring onion. I've got a recipe for you here it's a little heavy going, okay? There's some sour cream involved, there's some horseradish involved, there's some mayonnaise involved, obviously, but it looks absolutely beaut. We're treating ourselves, you know? It's barbecue season, it's the summer. We've been working towards this. We've been in lockdown for this sort of thing, you know? So if you like potato salad, get on this one. You're not gonna regret it. It's gonna be great. Let's get to it.
Let's not mess around, we need potatoes. And here I've got a bag of new potatoes. I've boiled them up for about 15 minutes until they just sort of turn soft. Let them drain and cool off slightly before transferring them over to a bowl. Then, using a fork, crush a few of them up. You can leave them whole, but I like to have a little bit of that sort of mashed potato feeling running through the dressing. Into a bowl goes half a finely chopped onion. Yes, okay, it's meant to be a shallot, but I couldn't find any, so it's an onion. Then in a separate bowl goes 2 tablespoons of whole grain mustard, 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and a good seasoning of salt and pepper. Give it all a little mixy mix, and then over the potato it goes. Stir it in or give it a little toss just to coat all the potatoes. Then in another bowl, or the same bowl which you've been and washed up, tidy as you go people, we're going to go in with 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, and 2 teaspoons of horseradish. Mix it up and add a little squeeze of lemon to cut through the mayonnaise. Finally dice a spring onion, add that to the dressing, and then pour over your potatoes. Mix it all through and transfer it to a lovely nice bowl for your table. And if you want a humdinger of a potato salad, then go with this beauty.
So that's it. 3 days, 3 different salads. Potato salad is our last one and it looks mean. Before I even taste it, just from looking at it, here's what I'm gonna say. Use more potatoes than I did. If you put more potatoes in it, it'll even everything out. They're pretty extravagant potatoes. You've got the sour cream, the mayonnaise, the horseradish. We ain't messing here, okay? Wow. Yeah, I mean, it tastes great. Thing is, you've got horseradish and whole grain mustard, and both of them are like battling to see who can be the hottest. But then the sour cream and the mayo bring it down a little bit. They sort of cool it off a little. Those crispy onions are amazing. I mean, those crispy onions are the sort of thing you could eat just by the handful, like a snack, like a casual snack. And I have done that before. But they're mixed into something like this. They give that little bit of crunch. This feels a tad brutal. It's gonna go great with any barbecue that you do though. Thank you very much for watching this little salad 3-day special. Join us for the rest of barbecue season as we go over the next few weeks. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And I'll see you next time. See you later. See you later. I'll see you later, yeah? Hey, I'll see you later. Unbelievable.